Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today we are doing some inside stuff because it's cold out. So let's get to it. So we are taking the shower out and putting in a new one. Alright, well we got the shower out and we're going to be making this drain to where it fits down in the concrete. So gotta take some concrete out of there. You know, there's a lack of music or sound around here. We need something like a radio. Alrighty, let's open this up. So it's the Milwaukee M18 Jobsite Radio. It also has aux cord. I don't believe it's Bluetooth. Oh no, I need a knife. Got it. Ooh. It took up the whole box. There we go. It says that it takes M18 batteries. It also has a USB charging port here and an aux cord. And it looks like a watertight compartment for your phone or audio device. I got on-off mode presets, and I believe this one has 10 presets for the radio AM FM channels. Around back, it's got the power cord where you can plug it in. It's got the antenna for radio, and then it's got where you can put the M18 battery. It looks like the best fit would be either the 6s or the 8s, but my 12 for the larger tools probably wouldn't fit in here without making it stand up a little bit. Let's get this plugged in. So it's got 2-prong, so it can be used on pretty much any job site. Plug it in. Alrighty, it's plugged in. It's flashing with the that. So, ooh, it's backlit too.
Todo va a estar bien. Everything will be alright. The whole world's in his hands.
And it is working. So I'll be able to have this out on tent jobs and just random places that I'm working that needs a little bit more audio. So this is pretty cool, and it looks like it's durable, so we'll test it along the way and see how it does. Alright, well, I got the hole expanded out, so the thing will go in there now. And I took the trim off, and there appears to be no wood holding up the building, so gonna have to work on that too. But this is coming along. Thinking about redoing the tile in here since it's just peel and stick from Walmart, and should be almost done with this part. We've got a cabinet shower to go in here, so we'll be putting that together and getting it all plumbed in, and should be all good. The radio is working. Of course, whenever you get a radio, you can't like not get something else. did get a full load. It is very high. So there it goes. Now we got a couch. We just need Granny and Jethro up there. Alright, we're gonna take these all to the dump. We've got one roll-off, and then a trailer, and then a dump truck, and another dump truck. So get this all in before they close, and we're done for the day because this has been an all-day thing. Yay! Alright, let's go.
Don't scratch it!
Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you can be notified whenever we upload new content. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and the vlog is over.